Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Shootin the Sh in the Shop. Today I wanted to talk to you about a repair around the house. It's a really good sounding radio on here and good alarm clock. Last night I accidentally broke this. Piece of plastic inside there snapped off. So I thought about taping it closed, and then I thought, well, what else can I use? I had a bright idea to use my glue gun. So I'm gonna put it on now, give it a couple minutes, and I'm just gonna stick some glue in there, close it, and it should be closed. I don't plan on ever using this again I don't think I ever played a DVD or a CD in here. So not a big deal. I just want to keep it closed, and it's a decent alarm clock. I picked it up at a garage sale probably for like $5 a few years ago, and I don't want to throw it away. It's nice. Anyway, while the glue gun is heating up, thought I would talk about this Ryobi fan, since I mentioned it in the last episode, but I didn't have it here to review, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so this is P3320. I guess that's the model number. This fan is awesome on the job, around the house. 4 amp hour battery, probably run 12 hours. It's got 2 speeds, low and high, back here. And you could also plug an extension cord in there. That's pretty cool. So if you need a portable fan, I highly recommend it. Let's see if this glue is hot enough now. Not quite, not quite hot enough. All right, so now I'm ready to fix this, or not really fix it, but permanently close the cover. All right, so I'm gonna just stick some glue right in here. Put a nice glob. Close it. Okay, I'll hold it for, let's say, 10-20 seconds. Okay, the glue is finally set. I should have used fast setting glue. I thought about it, and then I thought it would be fine, but I think I used too much glue, and it just takes too long to cool down on something like this kind of repair. So you live and learn. Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
Making a video. What's up?
Oh, alright. You can cut this out.
I'll be back in a few minutes. That's my son. Alright, so I'm done with I wouldn't call it a repair, but I accomplished what I wanted to do. I glued this door shut, and I should have used fast setting glue. The slow set glue in this particular instance just takes too long. Thanks for watching the video. Please check back, like, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thank you. This has been Shootin' the Sh in the Shop. Have a good one. Take care.